Hi, I'm Stephanie with the Note Ninjas. Together with Nicole, we make a PT OT duo to teach other PTs, OTs, and assistants treatment ideas and documentation tips. So today we want to talk about bed mobility, specifically rolling. A lot of times we try to teach our patients how to roll in bed or even how to dress in bed, anything with bed mobility. And they kind of like flop side to side. They're not really using their core, they're not really turning all the way. And this activity really helps with that. It helps with the core stability, helps with rolling, it helps with all of those activities. And it's kind of fun too. So, what we did is we took a cane and this ring. We're going to put the ring on the cane, and I will show you lying down. But basically, I'm going to lie on one side with the ring on, and I'm going to have to really bring my body all the way around to let the ring go off, and then to the other side. And if I don't roll enough or as dramatic to use my core, it's not going to move back and forth. So it makes it a little bit more fun and really make sure the patient is performing the activity correctly. So the patient might just be rolling and not really using much of their core. The ring's not going to move. So we're going to tell them to make bigger motions and really make sure the ring goes down and then back and then back. And this does work the core a lot more. It's also really good for those big movements that we want to use maybe with the patient with a neurological issue or Parkinson's. Really make the movement big and big. And you hear it too. It gives it a goal. So this really works for bed mobility, core strengthening, core stability. We hope that you try this with your patients and let us know how it goes. Follow us at the Note Ninjas for more treatment ideas and documentation tips.